Yo, this video is going to talk about what makes a bully. I have studied psychology for over a decade and work as a medical provider prescribing medications to psych patients. This video will tell you 8 ways bullies are made. My name's Ryan Long and this is the Unleashing Potential channel. Subscribe and smash that bell to not miss out on psychology videos to unleash your potential. The first way bullies are made is by having parents who are abusive. Children who are either abused by their parents or at least saw one of their parents abusing the other learned at an early age that abusing others is just a normal part of this world. The children often look up to the parents as their role model as to how to behave and imitate them. So if someone's parents were an abusive psychopath or sociopath, then there is a higher chance that the children will be as well. The second way bullies are made is by being bullied themselves as a child. Children who were bullied as children who never received any help from adults or other children are more likely to learn at a young age that physical power and abuse is the best method towards controlling other people. The third way bullies are made is by becoming friends with people who are bullies. Even if the person himself or herself doesn't believe in bullying, being friends with others who do can change that person to become a bully. The fourth way bullies are made is by having poor grades in school. They use bullying as an outlet to feel in control of their situation since they are not achieving the grades they desire. They feel inferior to other students and may use bullying as a method to make themselves feel better, especially bullying students with better grades. The fifth way bullies are made is by violent video games. Research has shown that children exposed to violent video games have a higher chance of being violent themselves towards others and having a higher level of aggression. The sixth way bullies are made is by their inability to understand other people's emotions. Research has shown that people who cannot read other people's emotions are much more likely to respond to them aggressively. When we socialize with people, our ability to read others determines what we do ourselves. An example of this could be if you are talking to your friend and you notice that person is sad, you would then be more gentle with that person. Some bullies lack this ability early in their life and learn to simply respond to many situations in an aggressive way. The seventh way bullies are made is because they are a psychopath or sociopath. Not all psychopaths or sociopaths are criminals or live violently, but being one does increase their chances of becoming a bully. The last and final way bullies are made is by having low self-esteem. Bullies will use bullying as a cheap way of elevating their self-worth. That is why there are so many haters in this world. These people feel bad about themselves and need to elevate their low self-esteem and are cowards who will typically just bully others since they're too afraid to actually earn real success like obtaining a doctorate degree or high-paying job. I was originally going to end the video there, but decided to add a bonus tip. Bonus tip: having inadequate parental supervision creates bullies. This is a follow-up psychology video to my Psychology of Bullies video. Click above to see. If you learned something new about what makes a bully from today's video, then make sure to subscribe to the Unleashing Potential channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Now, I want to turn it over to you. What new fact did you learn today about what makes a bully? Is it A, video games increase children's aggression, or B, people with low self-esteem often resort to bullying? Let me know now by leaving a comment below right now. Click above for the next video, and please let me know if you have any video suggestions below.